Another light bar in the file of advantages that I never dug into or researched further was this supposed California bar. When I popped it open, it did not have the promised center Opticom preemption strobe. It had a single halogen 7x3 light. The rear lenses were pretty close to what I thought they were supposed to be. There's a rear amber flasher. Things fit. That was a good start. The front quote steady burns flashed, and they were very wrong era 4x3 halogens. The lenses were close. So what we ended up doing was switching out our halogen lights, adding some exterior lower flashers to the front, and putting in that center preemption strobe, which is powered by a Tomar preemption single add-on unit. And I also anchored and properly wired the flasher for the rear amber / red flasher and the front red flashers. Everything kind of just got put the way it probably should have been to begin with, or at least what I thought I was getting when I got it, but I still feel like I got a pretty good deal on it, and I'm pretty happy with the outcome of the updated project. A couple little quirks along the way, but that's part of the magic of building light bars. A little bench test here. We've got everything going. We've got all 4 rotators. We've got front flashers, rear flashers, and front red steady burn and preemption strobe. You don't have the alleys or the takedown. There's the takedown in the alleys. You have your single passenger side takedown, which is sometimes seen in California bars, because the California red sits on the driver's side, which you see activated there. To the rear you have your amber flasher. It does have a red twin on the other side, but it has the California Twin Sonic style amber behind the red steady, which is what I thought I was getting into when I bought it, so that was pretty close. The flasher wasn't wired right, but rewiring the flasher allowed me to add these exterior front flashers because I did have the extra section or the extra outputs on the flasher, and I think it looks pretty good. With everything going, you've got 4 rotators, front flashers, rear flashers, and a front red steady burn. And it's not including the Opticom or the preemption strobe. The Tomar preemption strobe was an add-on kit, and it usually actually worked just like this, where you would take an existing light head and add their single head power supply, which is what I did here. I think it turned out pretty decent. In the slow motion, you can definitely see it as a preemption strobe. It's what I had been promised in the bar to begin with. The single halogen center light, which was separately wired, leads me to believe that maybe it was tied into something else, like an external flasher or takedown with flasher override. I don't know. But thanks for watching.